Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dugas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 19 July 2024. Today is Friday. Well, I am Rakesh, and I'm your host here with yet another webinar. Now, this webinar is dedicated to price action, and we are not doing much here, but we are just trying to find out the key levels of inflection from where the price can reverse. And because these levels are based on the daily chart, but yes, you can plan your trades on the lower time frames also around these levels so that you can get a good risk to reward ratio. Now, if you are thinking that who am I, well, my name is Rakesh, and yes, I am your host. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Vikas Copy Bank, because I'm not their employee. But yes, I am using their YouTube platform to showcase my own analysis, and I am an independent trader and analyst. Everything that I say in this live stream, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank or their Dukas Copy research team. In the next few minutes, we will be highlighting the key inflection points for all the instruments that we see. And then we'll see how we can use those levels into our charts. For this analysis purpose, we'll only be using the candlestick type of charts. Now, those who are here in this web stream or in this live stream, mostly, they are aware what I'm talking about. But those who are new, let me tell you that there are many types of charts available. But we are only talking about the candlestick type because they give us the maximum information. Now let's keep this introduction short and quickly go to the charts where we are going to do all this shit. Okay, now at the end of the session I'll be taking the questions from the viewers, so please ask questions if you have any, and I'll try to satisfy your questions with my answers. And before I start, I must also inform you that this webinar is not a trading advice. It is only intended to do some entertainment of yours and to inform you or give you an information edge about the market, you know which are the important levels for the markets. So I'm in no way authorized to advise you on buying or selling, so please do your own research before you buy or sell in the real markets. And also, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer first before we move to the chart. All right. So what do you see on your screen right now? Well, this is the daily chart of the US dollar index. It looks like the price is going down. Okay, in the longer run, the price is going down. But if you see the last 2 days, the price was trending up. So what does this mean? Should we start buying the US dollar right now? No, you should not, because the price is going down and it will start going up if and only if the price trades above 104.22, which has not happened as of now. So till the time the price is trading below 104.22, we are only looking for the selling opportunities. And you see the price is trading between this volume X, what is it called? Volume gap, whatever. So the price has not been able to go higher than this. I'm looking for only selling opportunity in the US dollar. Okay. Till the time it is trading below 104.22. Once it starts trading above that, then we will start looking for the buying opportunity. I hope that is understood. So what we are looking for in the pound then? Well, in the pound, we are looking only for the buying opportunities. To what extent? To the extent of 1.27 7 we have already told about this thing. So we are only looking for the buying opportunities. Yes, these are the red candles, but we are still looking for the buying opportunities in the pound, and I expect that to be shown above 1.2777. So the key level of inflection lies above 1.2777. So anywhere here, you can look for the buying opportunities. Now, my friend Sandy, hello, welcome to the stream. Well, second thing is, you know what we are looking for. So you mark that level on a chart, okay, and then you create a counter trending channel. Then you create a counter trending channel like this, all right, and then you let it extend to the right and see. And you will observe that after a certain time, the price fails to go lower and breaks higher from this channel. Sometimes it comes back, sometimes it doesn't come back and go higher. This is your buying opportunity. This is your stop loss, and this is your first TP. So in this case, guys, if you notice carefully that we are trying to only buy this market above 1.2777, and we are trying to buy the strength only. Now it is a weakness. We are not buying the weakness. When the price breaks higher than this channel, it will indicate the strength, and that is the time when we buy this. What will the stop loss? 1.27. With the TP, the minimum hanging fruit is 1.2994. Is it difficult? No, it is not. But when you start executing it, it becomes difficult, because if you don't have a plan, it really becomes difficult to execute. So the plan is, we'll look for the buying opportunities, but we will not buy right now. We'll see from this level or from this level or from this level. Whenever the buyer enters again, he will be able to break higher from this falling channel. And when he does so, we will start looking for the buying opportunities. Right now, okay, we are looking for the buying opportunities, but we are not buying it. We don't know to what extent it can fall. Maybe it can even fall below 1.2777. Who knows? For an appropriate channel, how many highs and lows are necessary? Two highs and two lows. Two highs and two lows. Now you might be thinking, oh, here he has marked only one, because there is only one swing. This is like, okay, I'll show you something. Now, say I just mark this channel like this. Okay, the point is that because this is an uptrending channel, I need two lows here in this one. And the recent highest high will be my level. Now, I will explain you this with a price section like this. Say the price made a high like this, okay, and then it made a higher low, and then the price is here. This much price action is okay for me to praise this channel. Why? What will I do? I'll open up channel. I'll place this at this swing low, then at this swing low, and between these two lows, whatever is the highest high, that will be my upswing low. So this is how the channel is made. Simple. And the reverse is also true. How the reverse is true? I'm sorry, I have to tell it like the kids, but it's okay. Suppose this was the low and this is another low. Now this should be the highest high in this case, yes, because we are looking for that. This cannot be like this, it has to be higher than this. So when you see that there is a lower high formed, and this lower high will be confirmed only when the price makes a lower low than this one. I will explain you this also. First let me draw the chart. So I am marking it here. You see, I'm not marking it here. Carefully. See, because this thing can also be here only. This can be here only. This can be here also. But this cannot be here. Because if it is here, then this will go, sorry, this will go here. Okay? This is my point. So if you are creating a channel, it has to be within this And in fact, this channel will be wrong. You have to create it like this. And once you extend it to the right, you will see that it is broken. Boom. But sometimes you will see that the price went out and then it came again inside and then it broke to the other side. This also happens. All right. So high, higher, high, and whatever was the lower in between them. So in this case, you see price made, this is a one swing high, okay, then it made a low. It has not made a high, but there is a high here. So if you don't want to include this, you can include this. But does it look like a swing low to you? Tell me. Frankly, I'm just asking you. I'll take you to 1 hour and then maybe you can answer. Does it look like a swing low to you? Like this is a swing low. Yes, this is a swing low actually, but not that concrete. So that's why did not use this low and I used this low. Now we are in our channel, it looks like. All right, so I think I have explained this. Got it. Thanks for this. All right, so we know now we are targeting 1.2994. What about the euro? Euro has cleared all the liquidity above this level, is trying to go lower. We have plotted 1.0805 as the swing low. Potential support is expected at 1.0852. What will happen? We are not sure. So can we mark a falling channel in this one? Yes, we can, because the US dollar can fall anytime soon. And if in that anticipation, we are expecting the prices in this one to move higher. In this case, this is a high, low. Okay, let's mark it like that only. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Swing high to swing high. But you will notice that between these two swing highs, this is a swing low, and I just don't cover anything else like this, then you will see that it is very haphazard. Yes, although this is the right method of creating a channel, but when you incorporate the highs and the low, you get a better channel, and you will see that the wicks are respecting it, and eventually, okay, and this also see had this price action not there, you see there are sometimes range expansions. I would have only marked this one, but when it expanded to the lower side, I have to expand my channel. I had to include this. Understand this part? This channel could have been like this only. Okay, had the price not expanded below it, the price could have stayed within this. But since it has expanded to the downside, so I have to include this low also. Because I want to believe that the price is headed higher and it is just expanding within a channel. Once it breaks below 1.0852, I will give up on my expectation of the price going higher. Why I'm creating this channel? To give me an idea when the strength resumes. The strength will be such that it is able to break away from these highs or extended highs or extension of the swing highs. I hope that understood. Talking about the Australian dollar, did we expect the price to come back to these highs and this channels resistance area? Yes, and we are also expecting the price to go higher from here, guys. Is 1 hour the recommended time? No, but 1 hour gives you enough information. I'll give you one more thing. You see, this is 1 hour. When you zoom in like this, it can act as a 5 minute also. I'm just saying that you switch it to 5 minutes. Although I don't suggest you to switch it to 5 minutes, but just have a look at it, okay? The channel remains the same. The highs and lows remain the same. So this is my channel. This is my channel on the 5 minute. Do you think there is any change over here? Do you see any change? My levels remain the same. Okay, for channel, it really doesn't matter which time frame you are watching. But yes, your time frame cannot be higher than the 1 day. In that case, you will not be able to make your channel. At least on this downtrend, you will not be able to make your channel. You see, we are looking for a downtrend till the level of 1.0852. Not this one. That is there. So we are expecting that channel to act, but first we are expecting the price to reach for that channel. To reach for that channel, the price has to break from this channel. This is daily channel, so I mean this is the daily chart, so you are not able to appreciate this channel. So you go to the lower time frame, you will be able to. In 1 hour, it is good. If this is 4 hour, in 1 hour you can check the highs, lows. Basically, 30 minutes is also good. You can check this channel even on 1 minute chart, but that will be an overkill. 1 hour is okay. After 1 hour of opening, closing of candles, you can make out something. Okay, even from the 30 minutes, you can make out something. Like here, you can see that the market structure has shifted now to the upside. You might not know it if you are trading on the higher time frames, but yes, market structure has shifted to the upside. The price from here, you can see this is an expansion. The price was making lower highs and lower lows. Keep an eye. Keep an eye. Price was making lower highs and lower lows. Boom, boom. Till this one, 1.0876. Then it made a higher high than this previous high, and then it came back and made a low. Then it made a consolidation high, and it has failed to make any lower low, and I am expecting it to break out to the high side. Boom, boom, like this. Just my expectation. If you buy it at the current levels, the price can go down, but since from here, from respecting these lows, the price has broken the market structure here, and thereafter it has gone into consolidation. Well, it can fall also, it can rise also, but my expectation is that the price will rise from. Just my expectation based on the 30-minute chart. Was visible on the 1 hour also. You see it carefully. No, on the 1 hour, there is no breakout yet. All right, guys. So I was talking about the Australian dollar. These are the order blocks that I was mentioning earlier, that at least price can reverse to these levels, and these have been tested. I'm just switching it to 1 minute to show you something. This may not be there, but on the low time frames, I'm expecting a market structure shift first. You see, the price came to these levels earlier in the day. Boom, boom. When it meets a support area, this is what happens. The market structure shifts. It went higher than the previous high. Boom. And then it came back, bought back. Now again, the price has come back to these levels again. And don't be surprised. Don't be surprised if you see the similar thing again here. Something like this. Don't be surprised. If you use fractals, you will have the highs and lows marked on chart. Oh, you don't need fractals if you are trained to look for higher highs, higher lows. Your eyes should be trained enough to find that. You don't need fractals. I know they wait for 5 candles. You don't need that. Boom, 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 boom. Equal lows taken out. Now expect the price to rush like this. Okay, this is what my expectation is. Without breaking this low 6684, the price should boom 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 like this now. Like in next 5 minutes, I will say, if you can stay with me for 5 minutes here, you will see it. So do you have, Sandy, that much of patience to stay with me for 5 minutes? Since it has broken this low, the price should go 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 go, go like this now. Okay. Now you might be thinking, why, if it is broken this, then why it should go 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 go, go like this and not go go go, go like this? Yeah, you're thinking, is this the question? That since it has broken these equal lows, why the price has to go higher and not lower? Is this your question, Sandy? If this is coming to your mind, please let me know. After breaking a level, the price should go down. Why the price is going up after breaking that level? Wish I didn't understand. Candlestick formation is suggesting the price should go up. Is it? What is there in the candlestick suggestion? Well, guys, my dear Sandy, it has taken all the liquidity that was below these two lows. It has no reason to go below this one. Well, it has already taken the liquidity on the left. Now, whatever liquidity the price might here, and here, and even these two belows, it is also taken out. Now, if you see a market structure shift here on the 1 minute, you should be thinking about entering it around these levels at a retest to the buy side on 1 minute time frame with a target of daily. What is the daily target? 6724. Can you see that? And what will be your stop loss? On 1 minute it will be. What will be that? 0.6684. Is it 0.6683 your stop loss and 0.68 something? What was that? 6724 as your target? What? Is it even possible? Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible, my friends. Stop here. TP up here. Okay, not here. TP up here. What is the risk to reward? So this is what it is. All right. This is how I don't know what to say, but yes, this is a way of trading. Okay, with a small risk to reward. But you have to be very accurate at your levels. I'm not asking you to buy it right now. I'm just saying that if the market structure shifts from the 1 minute here, then you should be a buyer at these levels at the break. Okay. So going back to 1 hour, or say 1 day, and forget about those small things, but you can, why I'm saying so, because this high here, actually this should not be your stop loss. Your stop loss should be this low, 0.6672. So your stop loss should be 0.6671. Okay, just to keep everything covered. That's nice. In that case, your stop loss will also be on the daily candle level. Take profit will also be the daily candle level, and your entry will be very precise. Entry will be very New Zealand dollar. We should check this again before. Yes, yes, yes. We will come back to that. Okay. Yeah. Very nice. We should come back to that. So 0.5981 is what we are expecting in this one. We are looking for short on the unit. I think we have sell on the dollar strength. We said the dollar is high today, so the strength of the dollar should be sold in the form of New Zealand dollar. But yes, now we are expecting the US dollar to come back, maybe on Monday or maybe next week. But does that mean that we should buy New Zealand dollar now when the US dollar starts coming down? No. The answer is no. We should not buy this weak pair where there's a lot of resistance on the way up. We do not want to buy this. Okay. Instead, we want to buy the pound, which has almost no resistance on the way up. We want to buy the euro, which is going very nice. We want to buy, that's all, only those two. Okay, I hope I'm clear on this. When you buy pound and euro. When you sell something against the US dollar, you sell the New Zealand dollar, the the Australian dollar. Okay. So finally, USD after breaking to this extent, the price has gone higher, is trying to find resistance at these lows, and now it is looking good. I think the lower prices are on the chart. 0.8730 is what I'm expecting. If the US dollar starts reversing from the level where it is right now, then it should see 0.8730 very soon, the USD. What is the potential resistance? 0.8913, whereas the downswing pivot is at 0.8979. What does it mean? What is the downswing pivot? Downswing pivot is a level from where the price has the potential to come down, and if it starts going up that above that level, then it will not come down. Even if it comes down, then it will be going higher only. USD CAD. Did we have the bullish this thing index? Yeah, we had. Well, it went higher. Can you see that? Now, to what extent? 1.3756. Even though the US dollar was falling across the board, it is rising against the Canadian dollar. So, like I said, I think I told you that US dollar, whenever it starts getting stabilizing, you will see the US dollar going high against the Canadian dollar very fast. But we are again expecting the US dollar to fall. So, can it be seen as a selling opportunity for the USD CAD? If the price in the US dollar starts falling, should you sell the US dollar against the Canadian? Hell no. Why? Why? You want to sell the US dollar against a strong currency. Canadian dollar is a weak currency as of now. So you don't want to sell this. You only buy this at the strength of the US dollar. You sell other currencies like New Zealand. Oh my, oh my, what did I say? You sell the US dollar against the strong currencies, okay? Not against the weak currency. I think I covered this also. USD JPY, well, there was a fair value gap. The price traded into the fair value gap, is expected to go lower. First target is 154.54. The resistance is 158.85. This is a very clean chart. Nothing to show. Nothing to talk about. Okay. New Zealand CAD, well, this was expected, wasn't it? Boom, 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 boom. A lower low is expected. The price target is 0.8201 on the downside. When that happens, this will become my valid high. Right now, the valid high is 0.8345, above which I will start buying this market. Bitcoin. Yesterday we said, don't be afraid of these two lows. Don't be afraid of these down close candle. I think I covered it up. Now, 67,318 is the potential target. Can be met today, can be met tomorrow, day after, Monday, anytime soon. Next week, we are looking for 71,994. That is what my expectation is, guys. Okay, but for that, the price has to break this level of 67,318. All right, Brent. We are looking lower on the Brent in the long time. My friend who is making money in this, I'm sure that he was with me on the day when this fair value gap was created. I told that 86.36 is the resistance, and I think we have kept a stop loss at 87.10 or 87.11, if I remember that. Now, my friends, if you are still short here, go and switch your stop loss above the high of this candle, 85.82. 85.82 on this is the resistance, so you can keep your stop loss 85.85. Very nice level. All right, 85.85. What is the potential target? 76.78 in the longer run. So do you want to re-enter? 83.74 is the area to re-enter if you have missed this boat. Maybe on Monday, maybe today, you can get that entry. 83.74 is the potential resistance now if the price comes back to this level. All right, that's all for the Brent. Gold, you went higher, you came down lower, the price had a swing pivot here. That is not taken out yet. Okay, this is a swing pivot, and of course this is the previous high. Now if the price breaks this and closes the day below this, then 2391 should start acting as a resistance, guys. Here, this is very crucial because the gold may be maybe the gold will start selling from here. And somebody is selling the gold heavily. 2399 is where it is standing right now. Below 2391, we can look for 2349 and eventually 2287 very soon in this market. Japanese index, Nikkei, boom, boom, lower highs, lower lows, expect a lower high to be formed and a lower low to be formed. Where this lower high can form, 40,994 is the critical level. So between these two, you can see that the price can go to this and then reverse. Okay. Euro JPY, any highs should be sold off, boom, boom. It happened. Now, any rise, boom, boom, should be sold off. This is so simple, guys. I did not explain anything on that. Yes, GBP AUD, any fall, you should look for buying that with the targets of 1.9479. Now you can clearly see that the price has made an inside bar. So tomorrow or maybe day after or next week, we can look for further buying in this one with the target of 1.9479. If the price starts falling from here, then 1.9236 should start acting as a support. CHF JPY, sell on the rise, sell on the rise. It is rising. Okay, look for the selling opportunities. Look for the selling opportunities. Very soon you can look for the selling opportunities to the downside with the target of 174.61 in this one also. Or in New Zealand, it is going to go up. 1.1177 is the next potential target. You can expect some support around 1.1041, but the critical support is at 1.0979, below which I will not be looking for buying this market. Okay, right now you may be thinking, oh, swing low is broken, boom, boom, we should start looking. No, this is not broken low. This is the swing, and this is just another low. We can still expect 1.1177 in this market. Gas, after breakout, it has come back to that level to test it as a fresh resistance. Once it has happened twice, I think it should find it as a resistance, and the prices can still go to 1.9113. We will change our bias if the price goes and trades above 2.218. So this is the high that the price made after making this low, and after making this low, the price has not made any higher than 2.218. So once it goes beyond 2.218, we will look for the buying opportunities. Otherwise, no. That's all, guys, from my side. Audi cat. Somebody was trying to buy this market, but I think I told not to. Okay. If it does not come to this area of support. Now, this is trying to come to this area of support. So when the price comes to this level around below 0.9170 to 9156 to 914, so this is the level where you should look for the support area. Okay, now my friend, if you have bought it here, I'm so sorry about that. Okay, this is the area where you have to buy. So there's the possibility that the price will break out and then come back to this area. In that case, you should be buying this market. Now there is no strength. When the strength is shown, then only you buy this market. Now also the channel will be expanded like this. Okay, like this. That's all, guys, from my side. Do we need to adjust this channel? Yeah, we need, and we just did that in front of you. Yeah, you just saw that. Sandy, well done. Nice question. I'm impressed. We need to adjust the channel. Very nice question. Okay, Sandy, I hope that you're with me on this, and I really hope that you're making some money on the Brent at least, because this is where we were together. We have discussed this part also. We have told you how to manage your stops, and I think if you want to re-enter, if you have not entered, then 83.74 is where you should find resistance. Yeah, or USD, yes. Or USD, 1 minute. No, it is still at the same levels. The market structure has shifted. It has clearly shifted, my friend. If I were you, you know what I will be doing? Boom, I'll be buying it at 0.6686. Okay, and my stop loss will be not below this. Now the daily level is below 7772 or 6672, so I'll keep it a bit deep and I will target the higher prices. I think you should be buying this right now. It's like right now. Okay, and if you don't want to be very greedy, you can book it at these highs. Okay, around 0.6697. You can take some 10 pips out of it. 10, 6688, yeah. 10 to 12 pips. It's very easy. It is an easy money in next 15 to 20 minutes. All right, guys. this is what it is. All right. I think Sandy, we should just close the day for today, and actually we should uh, we should close the week. Very positive. I think everybody has made some profits. I just hope so. Thank you very much for your time. And yes, this my webinars are not very charming. They're not full of some fun and all. They're only full of numbers and levels. Hope you are able to make out something out of it. And I know that you know now about the support and the resistance levels that you have to keep an eye on in the coming hours and days. Okay, just plan your trades around those numbers and you can get, not lucky, I will say, you can get profitable. Now just remember to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade. Yeah, thank you so much for covering this peacefully and being patient. Oh, come on, man. That's why I'm here. So just remember to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade. And please look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. Okay. And with this note, I will again end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after this video is published online. And if you are watching it for the first time, you are here on the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such videos and webinars. I wish you a very good day and good weekend. Thank you very much for watching. See you again on Monday, 1700 hours GMT. Bye bye. Take care.